Hi, my friends. My name is La. I'm 10 years old. Today I will talk about my cat. A cat is a small and cute animal. What does a cat look like? A cat has soft fur, sharp eyes, and a long tail. What can a cat do? A cat can run fast and jump high. What does a cat like to do? A cat likes sleeping, playing, and chasing small things. Why do people keep cats as the pet? People keep cats as the pet because they are friendly and fun. Why do you like cat? I like cat because they are cute and make me happy. Goodbye, everyone.